Hello students. So now we are back with the part 2 of your chapter, that is the Northern Mountains. In our previous class we have read about all the three mountain ranges, which were Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. And we have also read about the importance of the Himalayas, right? So now we are going to study and we are going to read about life in Northern Mountains, that how many states it covers. Okay, a number of states are located in Northern Mountains. Various numbers of states are located in Northern Mountains. These are students, there are 12 regions including Jammu and Kashmir. Let me take the names. These are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. So these are all the states which are covered in Northern Mountains. Okay, so first of all we are going to study about Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so it is almost entirely mountainous, right? This region is almost filled with mountains. It is very cold in winters. We all know Jammu and Kashmir is very cold in winters. The beautiful Kashmir Valley is a favorite of tourists, right? और जितनी भी ज़्यादा कश्मीर में वैलीज है वो सब टूरिस्ट की क्या हो जाती है, फेवरेट. इट हैज़ लवली दल एंड वुलार लेक्स. विच लेक्स? दल एंड वुलार लेक. इट इज सराउंडेड बाय स्नो कवर्ड माउंटेन्स, राइट? Houses on boats called houseboats float on the lakes. What floats? These are known as houseboat, okay, which floats on the lakes. They are mostly used as hotels. These boats are used as hotels. Some small boats called shikaras are used for boating and shops. Okay, there are various small boats which are also known as shikaras. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Shikaras. और वो किस पर्पस के लिए यूज होता है? For the shopping. Okay. The traditional loose kurta worn by men and women in Kashmir is called firan. Now these are the traditional dress of the men and women in Jammu and Kashmir. What is this? This is firan. The name is firan. Okay. Next. Now as you all know, Jammu and Kashmir is a very cold place. So what do people do to keep themselves hot? Okay, to protect themselves from cold. To keep warm in winters, people in Kashmir keep an earthen pot with burning coal known as kangri beneath their firan. अपनी फिरन के अंदर वो एक पॉट, गर्म पॉट होता है, उसे उस पॉट को अपनी कांगरी अपनी फिरन अपनी ड्रेस के अंदर रखते हैं, so that they can get the warmth. The people of Kashmir make beautiful handicrafts from woods, brass, silver and paper mache. Okay, so what are the beautiful handicrafts of Kashmir? These are made from wood, brass, silver and paper mache. Saffron is a special crop, और सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेशली जो मेन क्रॉप ग्रोन है, that is saffron. Saffron means केसर, right? Now what are the languages spoken in Jammu and Kashmir? These are Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu and Ladakhi. And what are the main festivals? Is Eid and Shivratri. These are the main festivals which are celebrated in Jammu and Kashmir. See students, this is the houseboat on the Dal Lake, which is also used as a hotel. See, ये बोट है, इसको वहाँ के लोग किस पर्पस के लिए यूज करते हैं? For the purpose of hotel. Now, in this slide you are seeing two pictures. First is shikara, which is carrying vegetables in boat. See this picture carefully. And the other one is woman in firan, which is the traditional dress of Jammu and Kashmir, for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Next state we are going to read about is Himachal Pradesh. Now Himachal Pradesh is a beautiful state with snowclad. Snowclad means it is covered with snow. Its capital is Shimla, right? Now what are the famous hill stations in Himachal Pradesh? Dalhousie, Kullu and Manali. Many of you might have visited these places. The climate here is ideal for the growth of fruits like apples, cherries, plums, apricot and peaches. और सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे कौन कौन से fruits grow करते हैं? That is apples, cherries, plums, apricot and peaches. Now what are the traditional cloth of Himachal Pradesh? Is Women wear tight pajamas and loose kurtas with scarves over their head. Okay, and men wear tight pajamas and loose shirts with colorful caps. And what are the languages spoken there is Hindi and Pahadi. These are the languages. And what are the main festival? Festival is Dashera and Diwali. Children, this all the important things, all the important features of this state you have to learn about it. This is the traditional dress of the people of Himachal Pradesh. Now next state we are going to read is Uttarakhand. This state has Garhwal, Mussoorie and Kumaon ranges, Nainital. What it has? It has Mussoorie and Nainital. And the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun, right? It is covered with thick forest of pine, oak, deodar and fire trees. Okay, it is covered, this area is fully covered with forest full of pine, oak, deodar and fire trees. Now, places, what places it has? It has Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath are the important places, important tourist places which are there in Uttarakhand. Okay, now next. See this temple. This is Kedarnath temple in Uttarakhand. Next state is Sikkim. Now what is the capital of Sikkim? It is Gangtok. And it is also the smallest state of India, right? Kanchenjunga in Sikkim is the third mountain peak in the world. Third highest mountain peak जो वर्ल्ड में है वो कौन सा है? कंचनजंगा. और फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक ऑफ इंडिया इज ऑल्सो कंचनजंगा. अगर हम इंडिया के बारे में बात करेंगे तो फर्स्ट कौन सा है? कंचनजंगा. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द वर्ल्ड देन इट कम्स अंडर द थर्ड पॉइंट. ओके, इट कम्स अंडर द थर्ड नंबर, दैट इज Kanchenjunga in Sikkim. The state is famous for orchids. Orchids, you know students, these are the colorful flowers which are famous in Sikkim. Most of the people here belong to Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali tribe. These are the name of the tribe of people in Sikkim. Now what are the traditional clothes? Women wear long skirts called baku and colorful jewelry made of beads. Okay, these are the orchids of Sikkim and traditional dress of Sikkim. Look at this picture. These are the flowers and this is the dress of the people of Sikkim. Next is West Bengal. Now this also comes under the northern mountains, places under the northern mountains. Now Darjeeling is a hill station situated in the northern part of West Bengal. Okay, it is situated in the northern part of West Bengal and it is also famous for the tea grown on the hills, right? और ये किसके लिए famous है? Darjeeling for the tea. Look at this picture. People are picking tea leaves in the Darjeeling. This is also a beautiful hill station. Next we are going to read about the northeastern states. In the previous slides we have read about the northern states. Now we are going to read about the northeastern states. Okay, so students, this is the most important concept, that there are 7 states called 7 sisters in our India. हमारे एक ऐसे स्टेट्स है 7 जिनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? 7 sisters. These are अरुणाचल प्रदेश, आसाम, मेघालय, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा and Mizoram. Okay, now most of Arunachal Pradesh is covered by mountains. Now first we are going to read about Arunachal Pradesh. और Arunachal Pradesh क्या है? पूरा किससे covered है? From mountains. The Brahmaputra river enters India through this state. और जो ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर है वो इंडिया में इस स्टेट के थ्रू आती है. एंड द कैपिटल ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश इज, you all know, you all have learned this, it is Itanagar. Second state is Assam. Now what is the capital of Assam is Dispur. Assam is one of the largest state in this region. और ये जो 7 sisters है उसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा जो state है that is Assam. It has large plantation of tea. It also have large plantation of tea. हमने previous slides में ये पढ़ा था कि वेस्ट बंगाल में दार्जिलिंग में है plantation of tea and in Assam also there is a large plantation of tea and it is also famous for silk. Next slide is, okay, third is Meghalaya. Meghalaya is a beautiful state with hill station, okay, and its capital is Shillong. The state gets the heaviest rainfall in the country. Students, this is the most important feature of the state is that which state gets the heaviest rainfall in our country is मेघालय. ओके और मेघालय में भी एक सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेसिफिक जगह है जिसको हम बोलते हैं मौसिनराम. द नेम इज मौसिनराम इन मेघालय विच रिसीव्स द हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल. Fourth state is Nagaland. Nagaland is the home for Nagas. Nagas is also same the tribe of the people of Nagaland. And the capital of Nagaland is Kohima. The Nagas wear colorful shawls. Fifth state is the capital Manipur. And the capital is Imphal. Now Manipur is famous for the Manipuri dance. Yes or no? Yes. Sixth state is Mizoram. Mizoram is situated in the south of the region and the capital is Aizawl. Okay, what is the capital of Mizoram? Is Aizawl. And what is the main language is Mizo. Seventh state is Tripura. Tripura is surrounded on three sides by Bangladesh. Okay, Tripura जो state है वो पूरा उसका जो three regions है वो किससे covered है? All the three sides are covered with the country Bangladesh. And the capital of Tripura is Agartala. The people of the state make beautiful things from cane and bamboo, and this state is famous for the beautiful things made from cane and bamboo. So students, that's all for this chapter. From this we have completed our chapter. I hope all of you have understood this chapter, and if you have not understood, then go through this video again and again so that you can understand this chapter clearly. Okay, take care of yourself.